What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Talk Smith channel. As you can see behind me, we have LGND23 right here, which if y'all don't follow Legends Off-Road or The Lab or Legends Geo on YouTube or anything like that, go check them out. They do YouTube content with giveaways and they sell merch. And anyway, if you all are watching me, then you probably already know of these people. We are currently in the process of rebuilding LGND23. So one of my local friends here bought the truck from a dealership where I guess the giveaway winner had traded in or sold it to. And so wrap isn't in the best shape, so we're gonna remove the wrap, and next year he does plan on rewrapping it a different satin chrome color. So it will be satin chrome again at one point in its life, but it will not be this blue satin chrome color. After we get the wrap pulled off, we're gonna take off mirrors and the door handles in order to pull the wrap off. We're going to pull the grill. We're going to pull a lot of stuff apart. We're going to be doing an aftermarket grill in the truck, and we are also going to be removing everything underneath so we can do a different powder coat color underneath. So we are doing a custom one-off color. It's going to be awesome, guys, and it's going to match the wrap color that we're going to be doing later down the road. But anyway, right now what I am focused on doing is getting the wrap removed so then we can see this truck in all of its glory, black. Hopefully the paint is in good shape underneath because, you know, he bought this truck already wrapped. And I'm pretty sure that they used this truck as pretty much a brand new truck when they wrapped it to give it away. So hopefully the wrap company done a good job wrapping it as far as not destroying the paint underneath. I will say there's a lot of seams on this. I know everybody wraps a little differently, but y'all let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like, for example, like the rockers was one piece right here, and then this was one piece. And then this bottom was one piece to right here. So we had 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5. So for just the rockers, there was 5 different pieces to right here. On this right here, I guess you don't really see it in videos and stuff, but I don't know if, I know they did change wrap companies on who's wrapping their vehicles now. So hopefully the new people don't do so many seams, because this is one of the reasons why he wanted to get rid of the wrap, was to get rid of all these seams that go along the body lines because they're all starting to peel. So this right here is one piece, and then there's another piece back here. So it's 1, 2, 3 pieces, and then that piece goes up to here. This piece goes along, and it is one solid piece all the way down to here. So we have one piece along the top, and then 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. I think that's it. So there's 4 pieces to do this whole corner, which again, guys, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of wrap in general. I prefer paint myself, but is that the correct way to wrap? Like I said, I know that they changed their wrappers so that they don't have the same people that wrap this truck wrapping their current giveaway trucks. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and pull these taillights out and pull the fender flares off. Then we're gonna get working on removing the wrap off of the entire bedside and off of the front fender. And then after that, we're gonna have to work on getting the door handles out, because we are doing switchback light up door handles, which we have to take those off to remove the wrap anyway, now that I've noticed how they wrapped it. We also had to take the mirrors off, so we're gonna go ahead and take the mirrors off as well, because they are wrapped in behind the mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on a time lapse, and we're gonna get the like the mega cab part peeled and above the doors. Then we're gonna, like I said, pull the fender flares, the tail lights, the door handles, and the mirrors. So I'm just gonna set up a time lapse, and I will talk to y'all here in just a second after we get some of the wrap peeled off. Right now we're just going over it gently with a heat gun. It's about 60 degrees here in the shop. It's super cold outside, so we've got the heater cranked, and we are just getting the wrap as warm as possible, obviously without bubbling the paint or doing anything like that. Like, you just have to warm the wrap up, and it's coming off pretty good. If you try to pull it off right now when it's cold, then it literally comes off in like 3-inch sections. But the rockers down here on the bottom, that was 2 pieces, and I took it off in 2 pieces. So you just want to warm it up some with a heat gun if you are moving a wrap. Of course, it depends on the quality of vinyl that the people used as well. This is a good quality vinyl, so it's coming off pretty good. So anyway, I'm gonna set up the time lapse, and I'll talk to y'all here in just a second. Alright guys, so I have just started peeling the wrap back here on the bedside, and we're gonna try to do something. We're gonna try to take our time with this, and we're gonna try to really heat it up nice and even so it doesn't rip or tear. I wanna see if we can take the bedside off all in one solid piece. Down here, like I was saying, the rocker panels, even on the bedside, it is a separate piece of vinyl. So there is a seam right through here. So we're gonna have one top piece and two bottom pieces. So I wanna see if we can take this off without tearing it. So here goes the time lapse. So right here is a full bedside piece of wrap off of a 5th gen Cummins. And here is all kinds of wrap that we pulled off of the hood and miscellaneous other places. I thought this was pretty cool though that I got it in one piece. That took some time, guys. Like I said, we've got the heat on, but still have to use the heat gun and whatnot. And man, this thing, I love the black. Comment below, do you like the turquoise better or the black better? We are going to be doing an aftermarket grill, and we're going to be paint matching the grill surround. And yeah, so anyway, comment below, guys. Do y'all like the black or do y'all like the turquoise? And also, comment down below wrap ideas. So he is going to rewrap this truck like I've said a couple times in this video. What color should he wrap it? Which you all will see what color he plans on wrapping it, but we can always change our mind and whatnot. But comment down below, guys. What color should he wrap this truck? We officially have the bedside done, other than the fender flare, which I'll do that here in a little bit. But anyway, next we're going to work on removing the door handles. I want to get one side of this truck completely done, so then I can send the customer a picture and actually show him what it's going to look like black, because we're both very curious. We were wondering if the paint's in good shape underneath. Like I said, when LGND Supply Company built this truck and had it wrapped and everything, it was literally pretty much a brand new truck. I think it had like 1,500 miles on it. Next up, what I'm gonna do is pull the fender liners and this fender flare and probably do the fender. And then I'll pull those door handles and the mirrors as well. Not in this video. But what I do wanna finish up this video with and talk to you guys about is what all we're gonna be doing to this truck. I know I mentioned a few things at the beginning of the video, but we're gonna be doing like 40 rock lights, the DBA rock lights underneath this thing. They have 36 LEDs. They are stupid bright. And you all can use my code HAWK10 as well if y'all want to pick those up, get 10% off. We're also going to be powder coating literally everything underneath the truck except for the axles. This truck is daily driven, and he's not sure if this powder coat color he's going to want to stick with for a while. So what we're going to do is we're going to powder coat everything but the axles. This truck is also getting built under the hood to somewhere around 1,000 horsepower. So right now it is just tuned and stuff, but it still runs out really good. Of course, it being a brand new 2021 truck, it runs really, really good. It has 24x14 JTX forged wheels on it with some 33 1450 Venoms. But yeah, like I said, everything but the axles underneath will get powder coated, and I'm talking small stuff, big stuff, everything, differential covers. The truck's gonna be black, so the axles being black underneath it are not gonna look weird. So the powder coat underneath will go along with the wrap, and then the black axles will go along with the black windows, the black mirrors, the black frame obviously underneath. But we are powder coating everything else, so that includes the hitch receiver, the actual hitch itself, the differential covers, the 4-link arms, the steering, everything, springs, spring spacer. We're doing new shocks, all kinds of stuff. So now we do have the mega cab part unwrapped and the bed unwrapped. We have the taillights removed, but man, I'm telling you guys, I would leave this thing black. He plans on wrapping it in the future, but this black paint, it has the sparkle in it. We're gonna wanna get this stuff protected because this paint is literally pretty much like brand new. I mean, there's minor swirls and stuff in it, but that's just from where they cleaned it probably before they done the wrap or during transport, whatnot. I don't think they paint corrected it before they wrapped it, so it does need paint corrected and ceramic coated, which we are going to have done. But with that being said, guys, I hope y'all are going to enjoy this series. Don't forget to drop the like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell for post notifications. And with that being said, guys, This is the beginning of a new YouTube series. I will have a playlist, so if you are watching this video in the future and you want to watch all of my videos that I make on this truck, I will have one. I'll probably call it like LGND23 Rebuild or something like that, something along those lines. So go to my playlist, look for LGND23 Rebuild or something like that, and find all of my videos that I have if you are watching this in the future. If you're watching this currently, today is Thursday, December 1st. So I'll probably upload this video tonight. So if you're watching this on December 1st, thank you all for watching the video. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.